point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your motion detector. Your motion detector is equipped with a low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before changing the batteries. Your motion detectors are made to remain closed tight, but are also simple to open when needed. Open the motion detector by loosening the screw at the bottom, but being careful not to remove it completely, and then lift gently. Remove the old battery and replace with a new 3-volt lithium battery. Make sure to observe polarity. Replace the lid and tighten the screw. Then perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery message. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. Motion detectors use 3-volt lithium batteries CR123, which can be purchased at any electronics retailer or directly from us. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines.